Hey guys, Megan Jeffrel for Art Panda TV, and finally I got my Seamiart Watercolor from Shopee. So let's review this. So I only got this set for only 278 pesos. Ayan, so I'll be putting the link below so you can also take advantage of this very affordable watercolor. So let's try and test it. Alright, so I have already removed the wrap from the pans. And then now, let's try it. So, nagsulat na ako and nag-sketch na ako dyan ng pang-swatch natin sa watercolor journal. So, ayan. So, lalagyan ko na siya ng water on top kasi ewan ko, nasanayan ko lang siya. Natutuwa lang ako when I do it para lumambot siya kasi solid siya. Now, I'm going to use nylon brush or round brush from Daler and Browning. And then, actually guys, so nung trinay ko to, I am surprised. Look how vibrant they are, right? The colors are so vibrant. However, there's no detail for light fastness. So, I can say this is a student grade paint. Ang ganda guys, diba? So, nakakatuwa siya. It's only less than 300 pesos and may watercolor ka na. And so, I encourage the newbies or the beginners to try this out. You can actually get it from Shopee and it will be delivered to you in less than 10 days. Now, I created here a sketch. So, I will try doing layering technique for this portrait. So, I'm using Daler and Brownie round brush here. Ayan, so I try the layering technique. So, una, light lang na wash. And then, pag tuyo na siya, saka ka magpapatong ng another wash. Yun yung isa sa mga favorite techniques ko whenever I'm doing portraits or some light paintings. So, that way, you will see if the paints are actually transparent. So, dito, nakita naman natin na transparent yung paints and vibrant siya. Ito na nga guys, I highly recommend for you to try Seamiart Watercolor in half pans. And sobrang sulit niya. It's not just light fast guys. So, if you have clients, be sure to use other paints for light fastness and longevity of the colors. So yun nga guys, here's a closer look and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell notification for my future vlogs and videos. Maraming salamat guys, and please stay safe wherever you are, and just comment if you have questions. Bye!